Princesses and puppies. Woof, woof, woof. Look at all the puppies. The prince gave Cinderella a puppy. Cinderella's puppy gives her kisses. Who is hiding in the flowers? Rapunzel finds a fluffy white puppy. Woof, woof, woof. Rapunzel finds the puppy's family. Oh, look at all the dogs. Aurora has 2 new friends. Woof, woof. The puppies like to chase the stick. Belle gets to choose a puppy. Oh. Belle picks a wiggly puppy. Wiggle, wiggle. Snow White has a new pet. Her puppy loves belly rubs. You're scratching his belly. Meredith sees a puppy. He rolls in the mud. Oh, what a mess. Meredith gives the puppy a bath. Splash. Eric has a surprise for Ariel. It's a silly puppy. Woof, woof. A puppy wants to play with Tiana. The puppy naps on Tiana's lap. Oh, what's he doing? Sleeping. A puppy does a trick for Jasmine. Princesses love puppies. Wow, all the princesses got puppies or saw puppies.